Hey guys, so what we have here is a Canarm Murano 42-inch in anti-brass, dated from May 24th, 2002. The blades are reversible from oak to walnut. As you can see, it has a reverse chain. The nice wooden fobs. There's a date right here. May 24th, 2002. There's this other sticker over there. Warning. And can't really see. This blade is split. It's not that bad, though. It's not that bad. It's not about to fall off. So this fan came out of my neighbor's house, and they were doing renovations, and this used to be in the master bedroom, and along with 3 Hunter. I don't know what the model is, but I think they're Kensingtons. Sadly, those Kensingtons have been tossed. So, but I at least have this one. It's kind of a childhood fan for me. I've seen this fan in its original spot a couple times, and this is how it came. It was flush mounted on a pretty tall ceiling, and also had no mounting bracket. So now, well, here's the light. There's one bulb that is out. It uses two 40-watt incandescent bulbs. Well, one of them is burned out, fortunately. Yeah. Without any further ado, let's put it on low speed. Low speed is pretty good. It's like a usable low speed. Here's a quick shot and then light on. Here is medium speed. Yeah, it wobbles a little bit. And here's high speed. Yeah, it wobbles pretty badly. This thing's blowing good air. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.